How to fix Snapchat camera quality on Android phone. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can improve your Snapchat camera quality. For that, you need to go ahead and first check the app permissions. For that, tap and hold onto this application, tap on the eye icon in the top to go to app info, then go to permissions. And Snapchat needs permissions to use your camera, microphone, and storage. So you can go ahead and check and make sure that the camera, microphone, and storage all are turned on. After this, come back, go to the battery section and make sure that it is set to unrestricted or optimized. Again, go back, then tap on storage and tap on clear cache. You can also try clearing the data, but remember that it deletes all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding that. And another thing you can do is you can disable the Snapchat filters and lenses. So filters can sometimes make the image quality worse, especially on some photos. So try using the camera without any filters to see if the quality improves. And if you're subscribed to Snapchat Plus, you can enable the HD uploads. It will increase the video quality. You can choose high instead of standard. And another thing you can do is you can update the Snapchat on your Android system. So go ahead and open your Play Store. From here, simply go ahead and search for Snapchat application. And once you find it, tap on it. And if you see an update button instead of open, simply tap on update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.